We often forget about what we use on a daily basis. For example, plastic bags. We go into the store, grab them, put groceries in, use them once, and when we don't need them anymore later on, they end up thrown into the bin. In a small town called Pakrac, there is a local store that sells approximately 1.225 million plastic bags. An average household has 212 plastic bags or plastic wrapping that they've used or still keeps them somewhere. In my own home, I found 212 plastic bags. Maya has found 90 and David has found an unexpected number of 313. But how are these plastic bags made and why are they so dangerous? Well, the material that makes plastic bags comes from refined oil or cracked natural gas. These materials are found mostly underground and must be reached by drilling wells. This process disrupts the local ecosystem and can present disastrous consequences for human and environmental health if leaks occur. The special material that gets extracted from the ground is called polyethylene. That material gets superheated and pressurized. After that, there is hot air blown into them. Cool, right? Later, it gets sent to printing, so there's some form of branding on them. Unfortunately, polyethylene cannot decompose, so an average plastic bag takes 10 to 1,000 years to decompose. We get the picture, right? Next question we've got for today is, where does all the plastic end up? Tea bags, bags of chips, almost every other sweet that's wrapped in plastic. A lot of people throw the plastic somewhere on the ground if there isn't a bin nearby. Sometimes the wind blows it out of the bin, and around the ground you can see bits of bags floating in the local rivers, seashores and other places. The thing is, they don't decompose, they just splinter into smaller and smaller pieces, small enough to be mistaken for food by the fish, chickens, birds or other animals, small enough to be consumed along with their daily water intake without even noticing. At the end, the plastic-filled animals come on our plates and then we eat it, followed by getting sick. Okay, that's a problem. How can we help? The goal is to live a sustainable life. We can replace plastic bags with the cellophane ones. They're made from a biodegradable and a compostable compound. Also, there are canvas bags that are made out of cotton and can be reused many times. What about our part in sustainable living? How did we do? We didn't get new plastic bags from the store, instead we reused the previous ones. We stopped using single-use plastics. Some of us started using cellophane bags and canvas bags. Some stopped buying products that are wrapped in plastic. Instead, they were groceries that can be put in your own reusable containers. We have reduced our plastic waste usage by 70% in just a week. See, we can all make a good difference if we want to. What about you?